Good morning and welcome to Bitcoin on the Beach. I thought this morning what I would do is I would explain what the difference is between the actual price of Bitcoin that you might receive when you go to buy or sell it and what you actually see on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. So when you go to CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, what you're seeing is a collection of prices that those websites have gone to and taken the prices from and then done a summary, and that's what they're going to show you. That's not necessarily the price that you'll get when you go to buy or sell. Then go to your exchange. So if you have an account at Coinbase, let's say, you would go to Coinbase and take a look at what that price is. You can look at what that price is on Coinbase versus the price that you're actually seeing on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, and then you can see that there's a difference. When you go to buy it, you would have to buy it at Coinbase's price. You couldn't buy it at what CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap are showing you because those are a collection of prices from various exchanges. It's summary. It's different, by the way, than what you normally see in the US equities markets or most equities markets where there's a consolidated tape. That if you're looking at the price on Coinbase and then you look over there at the price on Kraken and you want to sell your Bitcoin that you have on Coinbase at Kraken, well, you can't do it unless you move it to Kraken. And you could do that over the networks. It does cost. That's where this gas fee comes in, but you can do it. But then you have to remember your keys. If you forget your keys, you lose your Bitcoin.